Welcome, my friends. Today, I want to share something very interesting with you. One day, I was sitting in a café, just observing people. A man walked in, holding his phone tightly. He looked stressed. Suddenly, his phone slipped from his hand and fell on the floor. Everyone expected him to panic. But do you know what he did? He smiled, picked it up, and said loudly, "It's just a phone, not my life." That one sentence hit me deeply. Because most of us get angry at little problems. Slow Wi-Fi, traffic, a broken charger. Or even one negative comment on social media. We forget that these things do not define our life. The truth is, happiness is not about everything being perfect. Happiness is about how we react when things go wrong. Imagine, if you start smiling at your problems, instead of crying over them. People might think you're crazy. But actually, you'll be powerful. So, next time when something small goes wrong, ask yourself, is this really worth my peace of mind? If the answer is no, just smile, and move on. Because life is too short to waste on things that don't really matter. And if this little story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more such thoughts. Stay happy, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one.